So let me show the details. So the first job which I want to show you is an AI consultant job, which is a live job. I just opened the link and you can see here they're ready to pay up to 90 to 120K. And what they're expecting you to know different AI tools and technologies, which is happening like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Cloud, and Copilot and Gemini. So you should be completely aware what is there in AI field, which we will be training you, and you should be able to solutionize the company's problem of implementing AI in multiple sectors. Like you need to research and identify which part of the company can be using AI and how and what is the solution. So you should be able to give a solution to them. Not technical, no coding required, but able to tell what kind of tools and is it LLM or which LLM is in-house, out-house. So you need to be able to give a solution to them. And finally, they expect you to learn, have a strong experience in creating custom prompts. So prompt engineering is one of the key to get this kind of role. So this is a very simple role. If you know AI in and out and able to build some agents, give a solution, and know chart prompt engineering, you should be able to get this kind of a job, which is paying up to 120K. And for that, this kind of role, the hundreds of roles like this, who are calling as AI consultant or business analyst or product owner or even a tester with AI skills. Any background you have, there are hundreds of jobs, either direct AI consultant or with a different name called business analyst with AI skills. However, this is all there to solve, understand the business and give a AI solution. For this, we have one course called AI Consultant course, which is exactly teach those skills for that kind of jobs. And we just charge 499 and it's a 20 hours course. And we'll be teaching you different AI tools, like different chat GPT and Skywork, Opus, different tools, because you need to know the tools to go and implement in the company. And we also will be teaching prompt engineering, like first shot, second shot, how to build, how to maintain the prompts throughout the company, how to create a library of prompts so that everybody in your company will be able to use it. So it's a very nice skill to have. So we'll be teaching you from basics. And finally, we'll be teaching you how to build AI agents without any coding skills. So example, you can see here, there are hundreds of projects that our students are doing. So this is example, this is one particular project where if you have a customer who want to onboard, and this is an agent, which starting from if you got an employer or if you got a customer, so it actually takes the input and start identifying each and every part of the business and able to update the whole application, a whole company with different things like HubSpot and other kind of a thing. So it's a automatic agent. Similarly, you can actually identify for salespeople, there are some agents who can identify the lead. So it can generate the leads just by giving you a example, what you want to example here. You can see here what kind of leads that you need. You need a real estate agent. So, and London. And so these are the tools that you guys can able to simply develop as a part of the training. So see here, so the agent is now working and it will be giving you the leads in a minute. Like this, there are hundreds of agents that you can build and you can exactly do the same thing in the company. This is the skills that the people are using. And here AI Gemini is doing the work while we are discussing something else, and it will even send an email to the customers to book a meeting. So it's a strong lead generation thing. If you are joining a company, you can help your company sales. So as a AI consultant. So we charge only 499 for this, and we charge only for 20 hours for this. In the weekend and weekday you can do it. It's a live training with people like me, and you should be able to get the this kind of jobs. And we support you on this job search, job market, and also support you creating CVs and helping do some mock interviews. Coming to the next thing, which is one of the other role that I'm talking about, is AI engineer jobs. AI engineer jobs are here right now. This is a live job I'm opening in front of you. So this job is paying up to 130K. Okay. So this 130K job is for the similar skills, which is learning AI, tools, prompt engineering, and building agents. But the biggest difference here is you will be able to learn Python programming. You should be able to learn Python programming, because if you are going to like bigger companies like corporates, obviously they will be looking for you to have the so this is the role that I'm talking about. See here, they're up to paying 130K. And here you should be a little bit more technical. The biggest difference is you should be able to develop AI applications using Python programming. So that is the one big difference between AI consultant and AI engineer. So I would suggest it is the same thing. You should be able to create a architecture diagrams, implement AI frameworks, and most of nowadays, the best AI framework for implementing AI agents or building AI solutions is LangGraph and LangChain. So you will be able to learn that skills of developing Python and advanced Python. I mean, it's not very complex nowadays. The coding is very easy. You just need to understand. So we'll teach you the enough skills, and then you will be able to develop something like this. See here, this is a Langsmith um, a workflow, which is similar to one I had shown before, but this is more of code based, and it will be able to automatically generate. Then agent will be giving you the information back to you using multiple steps. So you will be able to develop a similar agent using Python coding, which is just creating some algorithms and implementing it. Yeah, we need some basic programming skills. That's the reason why we teach you Python. If you already have some other Python skills or JavaScript skills, we can easily convert. But if you need to have basic Python skills, which we'll be teaching, and after that, we will be teaching you how to build an agent along with AI tools, prompt engineering, and building agents with no coding skills, which will help you to build an agents without coding, so that you can test how the agent can work. And if it is all good, then you can go and implement in LangGraph LangChain on premises, which is a absolutely scalable solution. And you can implement that for banks and those kind of companies without having much hassle. And they are ready to pay 130K in UK for this kind of roles, which you might have seen here. And they're up to 130K jobs. Now, there is one other kind of a role, which is nothing but a tester role. So a QA who can actually test these applications, because whatever AI is going so fast, there should be some QA part of it. So this is the skills that we'll be teaching. And for that, there is also a job which is paying up to 75 to 100K. So this is the right job which you are seeing. So here, this is a job where you need to have some Python skills. Absolutely, we'll teach you that. But you will be able to test the models, develop the test strategies, like how you can test these models and how to test AI, how to maybe some kind of automation testing you need to do it. And even in local, you should be able to deploy a model and able to test the accuracy using multiple techniques. So we will be teaching you all machine learning and AI, which will help you to test the applications. This will be one of the top uh, demand skills in UK. So we will be teaching you that skills, like how to test AI agents, how to build, how to test machine learning models, and also how to do automation testing using AI, which will automatically help you to automate your applications. So that is a course that we'll be teaching, and that is again, these courses are all 40 hours course, which is 14.99, but we are running a discount for now, uh, and you will be getting £200 off, and the course fees is 1299. Similarly, there is one more course that we'll be teaching, that is AI ML engineer. Again, that is there a job which is paying up to 150K. So this job is live here. You can see here, this is a job which is similar. And here what you need to do is you need to have a strong AWS skills, and you should know Python, and you should know how to deploy ML objects like GPUs and AI, and you should know a little bit of how to deploy these AI applications, and you need to have the basics of AI. So this is a very, very strong role as well. It is just, it is nothing but like a DevOps, but in AI world, we will be able to deploy GPUs and using AI for your own deployment purpose. And that is a skill that we'll be teaching you, including cloud and a complete DevOps course, cloud and operations, and CI/CD pipelines, and also how to use GitLab, those kind of technology, GitLab, GitHub. But apart from that, we'll be teaching you how to run GPUs and how to work in AI environment, which will be giving you a job up to 150K. This is the course we will be teaching you the basics of AI, and also we'll be teaching you cloud, and we will be teaching you how to manage GPU. So the conclusion is, guys, we will be teaching you AI, the basic AI skills for everyone who is joining every course, which is AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, how to create presentations, how to work with AI, how to apply the jobs through AI, all these AI skills with different tools, and understand 360 degrees view of how what is happening in AI world. And then we will be teaching you prompt engineering, which is the core part of, even if you are developing Python code also, prompts are mandatory. So prompt engineering is very important, which we will be teaching you complete how to start a prompt, how to use it, multiple prompts, and depends upon situation how you need to write the prompt, system prompts, user prompts, associate prompts, different prompts. And finally, we'll be teaching you building AI agents with no code for everyone. And if you are part of AI developer or engineer course, we will be teaching you how to develop the agents using coding. And if you are part of the AI tester, we'll be telling you how to test the agents. And finally, if you're part of a AI ML course, we'll be teaching you how to deploy the agents. Okay, so like that, we'll be teaching you different skills, and you can choose any of this course. Every course have placement assistance and support to find a job, and will be helping in each and every aspect of your finding the job. So we are here to help you to find a job with a track record of 13 years experience in UK. We have more than like 3-4K people working in different organizations in UK. So that's the reason why we will take care of you. The only thing is you have to call us, and we will tell you what are the courses available and how we can help you based on your background. So not everybody can do everything, because based on background, we can suggest you what is the best course. But my point of view, start learning now, get ready for your future. So you can always contact us. So our website is IT Talent Hub. You can always contact us, and we'll be happy to help you. So we are here, and we have this number, or you can send an email, or you can go and register of any of these courses, and you will get a call back. You just need to fill this form, and our members will, our staff will call you back. Thank you very much. Bye bye.